In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the recycle bin in Salesforce. Whether you're tidying up your data or rescuing something accidentally deleted, understanding how to navigate to the recycle bin is an essential skill for keeping your Salesforce environment running smoothly. So let's dive in and learn how to do this effortlessly. First things first, you'll need to log into Salesforce. If you're not already familiar, Salesforce is a powerful customer relationship management (CRM) platform used by organizations worldwide to manage and streamline their operations. Logging in is the gateway to accessing all of the features and tools Salesforce has to offer. Once you're logged in, you're greeted with the home interface. Take a moment to get settled here because from this point all of our navigation will begin. Next, locate the app launcher. It's that handy grid icon you'll find typically in the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on the app launcher gives you quick access to all the apps you have available in Salesforce. Think of it as your hub for everything you might need. Now within the app launcher, you'll use the search bar to type recycle bin. As you type, Salesforce anticipates what you're looking for and provides suggestions. Once you see the recycle bin option appear, click on it. This search bar is a great tool in Salesforce. You can use it to quickly access almost anything, so keep it in mind as you continue to work with the platform. Upon selecting the recycle bin, you'll be taken directly to its interface. Here you have a view of all the recently deleted records. This could include anything from contact details to notes you've discarded. The recycle bin is your second chance. It allows you to review, restore, or permanently delete these records as needed. Having this available means you have a safety net for managing deletions across your Salesforce environment. A few things to remember while you're here. Items in the recycle bin don't stick around forever. They're typically maintained for a period, after which they're permanently erased, so it's crucial to address any recovery actions promptly. Moreover, access to the recycle bin will vary based on your user permissions in Salesforce, so be sure that your role provides these necessary permissions. Navigating to the recycle bin and understanding its function is a key part of effectively managing your data in Salesforce. This quick process provides you with control and oversight over your data management activities, ensuring that your workspace remains clean and efficient. And there you have it. You now know how to easily access the recycle bin in Salesforce, allowing you to manage your deleted records with confidence. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on mastering Salesforce.